Legends of Learning presents the Unit Guardian Stabilize the Learning Grid game. This is a math game that makes learning about knowing sizes of measurement units fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, play as the junior robot tasked with fixing the unstable learning grid. Guided by Iris, the guide robot, you must traverse several sectors, length, weight, capacity, and time, to adjust the units while learning more about unit measurement conversions. Use the virtual buttons or keyboard to move around. Use the left and right arrow buttons to move left and right. Use the space button to jump. Use Z to punch. Use X to interact with various objects. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.